Backup and restore, easy to explore. Go to Database under System in the backend. Under Database Configuration File, select any to start the database backup. After setup, hit Test Connection to confirm if the test passed. Click Backup Now to backup data. Then click Result to verify the backup. Go to the Save path to check the data. For Data Restore, likewise, select one condition to restore the database. Please confirm if the test passed. Click Activate Restore. Then, use Result to verify success. Return to Device Tree View. Confirm if the data has returned to the device. Use Event Ranking or Threshold Reports to verify restoration. Check if the data match the device's original details. Want to know more? Subscribe and partner now.